Alright, it is new gear day here at the Audio Wizard. I have my new in-ear monitors from the company Stealth Sonics.
We packed them really well. Some of this. I just want to comment on how beautiful this presentation is. This carbon fiber box with a magnetic lip on the side. It's really cool. But if we go ahead and open this up, we can notice we've got a nice warranty thank you card on this side. It says thank you for joining the Stealth Sonic family, and it's got a 12-month manufacturer's warranty. And here are my new IEMs. The case is so reflective, you can see my Galaxy here filming this presentation here. I've got a red metallic flake on my right ear and a carbon fiber black on my left ear. And I went ahead and had the Stealth Sonic logo put on there. But the presentation is gorgeous. As soon as you open up the box, you get to see your brand new IEMs and the hard shell clam case. But let's go ahead and check out this case here. We've got the Audio Wizard printed across the case. It's really nice hard shell. Let's see what comes inside real fast. So we've got a rose gold cable here. It's got red for right and black for left on the pins, but this is for a cell phone device, so you can listen on a plane or working out or something. It's got a mic built into it, so you can use your in-ears for some personal stuff instead of just on stage or behind the desk. It says Stealth Sonics right across the jack there. But I do like that it's an extended jack. This actually fits really well on my Galaxy phone with a Pelican case on my phone. So I don't have to take the case off to use my earbuds, and I really enjoy that. But it's got a nice cloth to clean the IEMs whenever you take them out. And in this pack here, we have a couple of accessories that are really useful. Let's check those out. We've got the pick for the bore pick, and a nice bristle brush to make sure that the IEMs stay clean. We have a mono to mono to a stereo jack here. This is usually used for computer PC cards, and then you have the ever so elusive 1/4 inch stereo to 3.5 stereo turnaround here. This is really handy for me, being a monitor and front of house engineer. This will come in handy quite often. So we can put these accessories back in here. Stuff it all back in the box. And then let's check out these ears real fast. So, like I said, I had them go ahead and put red, so I knew that my right ear would be reflective, so I could see that in a dark atmosphere. They also put Stealth Sonics across the top here, and then they also put my name in red on the back end here. It says Chris there, and then it says C4 at the top. That's the model number, the C4. It's got 4 balanced armature drivers, and then it also has red on the pins going into the in-ear, into the jack here, and they're recessed. And if you're wondering why it's recessed, so especially engineers, sometimes we forget that we're plugged into the desk. We'll go to grab something on the side or something and it pulls taut. They're recessed so the jack doesn't break off the pins. It's really sturdy jack there, and then you can tell this is a 2-bore in-ear, and it's a really nice mold. Let's check out the left side. The left side has the same Stealth Sonic logo on the faceplate, and then they have the Stealth Sonic brand here, and then it has Chris in blue. You can't really see it because it's a dark chassis, but Chris in blue and C4 at the top, and the pin on this side is black, so you know which is right and which one's left whenever you go to pin them in. Also recessed. This one I wanted to have at a darker color on the faceplate, so this is a carbon fiber look. You can see kind of a reflection there to it. It's a beautiful carbon fiber look. And you notice that the cable itself here in the ear bend does not have a wire in it. It's actually formed with a sheath or a shield over it, so any way you bend it, it pops back to where it has to go, but you don't have to constantly re-bend that cable, and I really enjoy that. That goes down to a nice twisted piece, and then here at the junction you have a slider, so you can slide it up to the back of your neck and keep it out of the way. And then that goes to a braided cable, and I really like this. My last IEM had a twisted cable, and that caused a lot of issues. Sometimes it would start to twist back on me. With it being braided like this, it actually has a little bit of a spring to it, and that's also going to help if I try to walk away from the desk, so it doesn't spring and snap. This has a really nice spring to it. I like that a lot. And like I said before, it has a really nice long jack, just like the rose gold. And then it also has the Stealth Sonic logo on it there. Let's see, you should be able to see it, yeah. Stealth Sonic there on the jack itself. Now then, let's see how these fit in my ears.
I've got to say, these are the best fitting and comfortable in-ears that I've ever had. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember, subscribe, like, and share this video. I will be seeing you soon.